Hi students, because of the increasing use in land development project of GIS and other data heavy inputs, it's critical that Civil 3D users know how to simplify the surfaces produced from these sources. So in this exercise we will simplify the surface created from a drawing early in the chapter. You can open this drawing 411 from the description link which you can download. It has GIS data surface. Select the surface by clicking anywhere on its graphics from the TIS surface data. Here edit surface and you will see simplify surface at the bottom. Select the point removal radio button here and click next to move to the region option page. Now accept the region option defaults and then press next. Set percentage of option to remove 20% and then deselect the maximum change in elevation option. This value is the maximum change allowed between the surface elevation at any point before or after the simplify process has run. Now click apply. This program will process the calculation and display a total point remove numbers which you can see here, total points removed. So note that every time you will click apply or finish, the number of points in the simplified surface decrease again by that percentage. Now click next to finish to close the wizard and process the simplify command again. One thing I want to tell you about the simplifying build operation, that you can notice that the simplify build operation is listed twice in the preview area of prospector under edits. If you select edits, you can see here we have simplify surface many times because we apply surface many times in the command. So you should click apply and then click cancel or just click finish without clicking apply for the first time. If you want just to show simplify surface or you want to just simplify one time, then you must need to click on apply and then cancel or apply and close. So it is a actually quick visit to the surface property statics tab shows the number of points has been reduced, which you can check from that surface property and definition tab. But this simple point reduction will decrease the file size, so remember you can always delete the edit or unselect the operation on the definition tab of the surface properties dialog to unsimplifying these surfaces. For this type of advanced videos, please stay with us.